Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A04 smartphone. In this video you will learn how we can insert SIM cards and SD card in our phone Samsung Galaxy A04. First of all, go to the left side of our phone and find out a hole here. This is the hole. Here you have to insert SIM ejector tool. Bring out SIM ejector tool and insert here and the SIM tray will be coming out. Just take it out from your phone. This is the SIM tray. Here you are seeing 3 slots. In the first 2 slots you can put 2 nano SIMs, and in this third slot you can put one micro SD card. Okay, so first I insert one SIM card in the first slot. See here, in this position insert the first SIM, and in the second slot put another SIM. Here I insert another SIM, and in the third slot you can put one micro SD card. This is micro SD card and I put it here. This is third slot, and keep the tray in this position. Keep the tray in this position and bring your phone now and insert the tray into your phone. Yes, SIM cards and SD card have been inserted, and check your phone now. Two SIM cards should be showing. Just wait. Signals should be detected from the network operator. See here, 2 SIM cards are showing and they are active. If any SIM card is not mounted properly, they will not be that SIM card will not be detected, and you can see here. Okay, suppose if SIM 1 is not detected, that means SIM 1 will not be visible here. Okay, it will be dimmed. So here 2 SIM cards are properly mounted and they are showing for the settings, so they are mounted properly, so don't worry. And to check the SD card presence, go to My Files in your phone. Go to home screen and go to Samsung and go to My Files, and here you will see SD card. Yes, SD card option is available here. So SD card is also mounted properly, and you can understand that both SIM cards and SD card have been mounted properly. Okay, so in this way you can easily insert SIM cards and SD card in your phone Samsung Galaxy A04. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.